Okay, so I'm out of the forest. Look at this nice big tree. I'm out of the forest, there by the pine trees. And back here where I started, it took me an hour to get there by that fork. And another 20 minutes to go to the loop. But at that fork, where the pine tree started, to come out of the forest, took me only 20 minutes. Because it's most downhill. And I cruised it out. Yeah. Oh, Frikkie made it. Frikkie, you're a champ. Okay, so I'm back here. So if that took 20 minutes, and it's about 5 minutes to the tar road, and from the tar road to my place for the agape, it's 15 minutes. 5 minutes here, the tar road, 10 minutes on the tar road to my place. 15 minutes plus there's 20, 35 minutes. 35 minutes to get back where the pine forest started by the intersection. It's now 4:30. Sun is going down. So I must cruise now to get home before dark. Okay guys, another exploration done. Keep it well.